Kolkata. Prime Minister Narendra Modi predicted on Friday that neither would the Trinamool Congress win more than 15 Lok Sabha seats out of the 42 in West Bengal, nor would the Congress score a half-century in the tally of seats across the country. Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi filed his nomination from Uttar Pradesh's Raebareli Lok Sabha constituency on Friday. Rahul was accompanied by Congress National President Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi and her husband and businessman Robert Vadra. New Delhi. Noting that the arguments on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest may take time, the Supreme Court on Friday said it may consider granting interim bail to him in the excise policy scam in view of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. Geneva. Indian cartoonist Rachita Taneja and Hong Kong's Sun Si were awarded the biennial Kofi Annan Courage in Cartooning Award on Friday, which is International Press Freedom Day. Hyderabad. The state is currently experiencing severe heat wave conditions, with at least 18 districts recording temperatures exceeding 46 degrees Celsius on Friday. This alarming weather phenomenon has prompted the India Meteorological Department to issue heat wave alerts across various districts. Hyderabad. Cyberabad Traffic Police said they had filed 239 FIRs against motorists driving on the wrong side of the road, and urged motorists to desist from the practice. Cyberabad Joint Commissioner of Police, Traffic, Joel Davis, emphasized the importance of using designated lanes and avoiding shortcuts or driving against traffic flow. Hyderabad. Syed Raziuddin, a 96-year-old resident of Kazipura in Shalibanda, could keep his unique record of voting in all elections since independence intact, thanks to the vote from home facility extended to senior citizens by the Election Commission. 2024 seems to be an eventful year in terms of movie releases. Movie releases with almost every genre has been released on the big screens to entertain the audiences. Ranging from heartwarming tales to exciting adventures, horror flicks, there are ample movies for one to catch up at the theaters. Mumbai. Kolkata Knight Riders bowling unit performed in unison to win a battle of attrition against five-time champions Mumbai Indians by 24 runs in an IPL match here on Friday.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.